Hello friends. Today in this video we're going to talk about Abbe Glasses website. Is this website legit or scam? So let's get started. Abbe Glasses is an online store specializing in prescription glasses. They're known for offering a wide selection of frames at affordable prices, including various lens options like blue light filtering, making eyewear accessible to many. If we talk about its Trustpilot review and score, then Abbe Glasses has 825 reviews with a rating of 4.1 out of 5, indicating a good overall customer experience. Reviewers often praise the affordable prices, wide selection, and good quality of glasses with accurate prescriptions. Some customers like EJB appreciate inexpensive prescription glasses delivered quickly from overseas, while LI New York found the fit and quality to exceed expectations. However, it's worth noting some negative feedback mentions low-quality lenses and poor customer service. Trustpilot also indicates this company has been displaying its content incorrectly. If we talk about its contacting details, then you can reach Abbe Glasses, which is based in the United States, via their phone number 1-585-800-115 or email at service@abbeglasses.com. Their website is abbeglasses.com. So, that's all in this video. If you like this video, please hit a like button. Thank you.